So the converter took about 1.5 quarts of transmission fluid, and now I have to climb on under there and get this bad boy in. And the typical procedure there is 3 clicks. So you put it on to the shaft of the transmission and you kind of twist it and push it, and you'll feel click, click, click. And when you get the 3rd click, you can check it with a straight edge if you want. It should be flush or even a little bit shy of the bell housing. So I'm not gonna be able to film this part because I'm working all alone and I'm doing it in my garage with no lift. So this should be, if I did record it, you guys would probably get a kick out of it because this should be fun.